Welcome back to another episode of Wrap It Up, episode 6. We're your hosts.
I'm Dulce.
And I'm Ronnie.
No, you're not. You're not Ronnie. You're the surf guy. Surf, 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 surf. As we move forward with the new semester, we wanted to highlight a few of the new courses offered at AUHSD.
The drone industry is growing fast. Knowing the science, terminology, safety, and laws related to flying a drone is a crucial 21st century skill set.
The Drone Tech Pathway at Bott and Loera gives our students the opportunity to learn technical skills and become career ready.
So Dulce, do you know how to fly a drone?
Well, there was this one time I was recording a group of students, they were learning how to fly their drones. And then I heard the buzzing sound. And then next thing you know, I was on the ground and I blacked out, I think. So no, I don't.
Here's a short clip of the Drone Technology Pathway video.
So I decided to join because it sounded fun. The experience has been pretty different because I've never flown drones in my entire life. So having a drone to fly is, to me, it's new and it's really fun.
There's only a few girls in class and when you fly the drone, everybody's looking at you and if you feel under pressure, but I think just not letting that get in your way because at the end of the day you have just as much opportunity as anyone.
We have ethnic studies courses offered throughout the district.
These courses give students the opportunity to learn about themselves, develop empathy for each other, and advocate for their communities.
Check out what some of our students had to say about their ethnic studies courses.
We were going through what stereotypes are in microaggression, and on a piece of paper we had to write any microaggressions that were told to us throughout this life. And me being Mexican, Filipino, I had to deal with, oh, but you don't look Asian, or you don't look Mexican enough, or you're too white. So it's I was able to express how I was told that throughout the years onto a piece of paper and take a picture and show the whole class.
As just a student here at Oxford Academy, it really allowed me to really humanize my fellow peers and to really see them as for who they are, as their struggles and their experiences. And yeah, I think it's just a great way to develop empathy, and yeah.
I think if you're scared that ethnic studies is something that's scary or very politicized, I would say don't hesitate and take the opportunity to take ethnic studies. Through ethnic studies, I realized that we all have our different stories, and I got to appreciate them more as classmates and as friends.
And lastly, Introduction to Data Science is another course being offered at AUHSD. This course is available for any student who has successfully completed Math 1 and Math 2. This
course is UC A through G approved under the Category C Mathematics course and can be taken in place of Math 3. IDS is a great preparation for statistics, Google Data Analytics, and AP Statistics.
It provides students with hands-on opportunities to generate and analyze data about the world around them with relevant connections to many of their own interests such as food, music, movies, and their community.
IDS will teach students how to code with no coding experience required, and it will help students develop their 5 C's as they learn about the data cycle.
If you're interested or have questions about the Intro to Data Science course, please talk to your math teacher and/or your counselor. So those are all of the classes we have to announce in this week's episode.
I know we haven't been pushing out as much Wrap It Up episodes as before, but that's because we're filming the new school site videos.
But don't worry, we will try our best to push out more episodes for you guys.
And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. We're your hosts. I'm Dulce.
And I'm Ronnie, and we'll see you guys in the next episode.
Or at your school.